So now let's before we discuss about the fundamentals of Ansible, I would like you to take you through the history of automation, the journey of automation from the shell script till today's uh, present day's tool. Okay, so in 1989, around 1989, 1990, 1920, 1992, 93, at that time, the bash scripting for Linux and batch scripting has been the famous tool for automation. So then, slowly, as we have come to this is an evolution. So as we have come to 2006, for the automation, the popular tool has become the Python or Perl or Ruby. At that time, these three tools, around in and around 2006, it could be 2003 to 2007. At that time, Python, Perl, Ruby, these took over the market. Basically, in that, out of this, Python was used heavily because of its simple syntax, and then whereas Ruby and Perl were also used, but because of their complex syntax, and it because of this is negative point, so most of the people have gone for the Python, and Python has enjoyed a nice good amount of market share at that time. So then after that, we slowly, as the time passes, the things have started changing. Now when we reached the 2008, the PowerShell of the Windows has took over the batch scripting. It's batch scripting. I'm only talking about Windows at this moment. So PowerShell has took over the batch scripting. Before, not bash, batch, BATCH, batch. Batch scripting is the one which we use in Windows for the automation. So that was replaced by the PowerShell. So this PowerShell has become very popular, and then by 2012, it's Puppet and SaltStack. So they come up in the market. They enjoyed a good amount of market share. Though Puppet depends upon a Ruby kind of language, but however, Puppet alone can't help us very much in automation. So we have to take the support of Salt Stack. So Puppet combined with the Salt Stack is a good deal at that time. So it got a very, they enjoyed a very good amount of popularity at that time. So then, from as we move from 2012 to 2014, at that time the things have started slowly changing. Basically, when we reach to 2012, then the configuration management, when the Puppet comes, at that time this automation, the configuration management, the word also started becoming popularity. Started getting popularity, and then when we reached the 2014, then came the Chef. So Chef is also a good tool. So in 2014, it got it had a good amount of market share and good amount of popularity. Then from 2014 to 2015, as we moved to the 2015, then came in the Ansible, and from 2015 till 2017, Ansible has enjoyed very good amount of popularity. But still, Ansible is good. But however, then came the Terraform. So even now, Ansible is very good tool. Terraform has gained a good amount of popularity in 2017. However, the difference between a Terraform and an Ansible is Terraform is cloud specific, whereas Ansible is irrespective of cloud. It can do any kind of automation. I am gonna show you all the use cases that we can handle with Ansible. So here, the stars of the stars of the present day era of automation is, one is Ansible, second one is Terraform. Ansible can do anything, Terraform cloud specific. When you ask me which tool you use for the cloud automation, definitely I say Terraform. If it is any other kind of automation, I use Ansible. That's the evolution of automation tools. So now let's move into the next level of this part.